Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add your business on Google Maps. So let's start the video. Open the Google Maps. You can add your business on Google Maps anywhere. You just have to select the location and drop in on it by holding it. It can be any shop, any restaurant or any mall. You just have to drop in like this and then long press it. Then you have to scroll up. Now over here you can see option saying add your businesses to map for free. Click on it. You will be redirected to a new page, so just name the business. So I'm just creating as an example. Select the business category, that would be restaurant. Now click on next. Now it says, do you want to add a location customers can visit like a store or office? So just click on yes, so the customers will be able to view it. Now over here you have to give the details regarding street address, sector, city, postal address, postal code, and after giving that you then have to click on next and you have to go through some verification process. Now in this step you have to drag and zoom the map and position the marker where your business is actually located. So just click on this adjust button. Now click on this location button, so your location will be visible over here. So mine is just near it. Now click on next. Over here you can also click on yes whether you want the deliveries or not. Now click on next, and after that it says add the areas to serve. You can add any area, so like this. Click on next. Now you have to fill these details. You can also skip it. After verifying you will be able to add your business on Google Maps. So this is very easy. I hope you understand. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.